Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this cool, multi-layered text shadow effect, using HTML and CSS. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Open your code editor. Let's start by creating an HTML file. Now, declare the doc type. Let us start writing the main HTML, starting with the HTML tag. Use the head tag to give our page a title, and create a link to our CSS file. In the body, create a div element. This element will hold our text. Now, create a CSS file. I will call it styled.css. Let's give body a brick red color. The hex code for color is D52E3F. Time to style a div element. Set the font size to 15 rem. Text align to center. Height to 90 VH. Set line height to 90 VH. Color to FCED D8. Set the font weight to 700 to make the text bold. Now, here comes the main part of adding text shadows. In the whole code of text shadow block, we will keep the blur radius to 0, which is the third parameter. Let's start to add the shadows. Add the first shadow, with 5 pixel offset, both horizontally and vertically. I will give this shadow an orangish color. To add more than one shadow to the text, add a comma-separated list of shadows. Copy this line, and paste it 8 times. So, you should now have total 9 copies of this line. We will increment the offset value by 5 pixels in each list of shadows. For the second shadow, I will give it a golden yellow color. For the third shadow, I will give it a greenish blue color. For the fourth shadow, I will give it a teal color. For the fifth shadow, I will give it dark cold cyan color. And for the last four shadows, I will give them a dark shade of the brick red color. Let's give a letter spacing of 25 pixels, for better readability of the text. As you can see, our final effect is ready. Now, let's add a custom font to it. For this tutorial, I will use a font, called Vegan Style. If you had to use the same font, I will put its link to download, in the description. After downloading the font, extract, or place its TTF file, in the root directory of our program. Rename the font file, to remove any spaces in between its name. Let's declare a font face rule, at the top of our CSS code. Let's give it a name using font family. I will call it Vegan Style. Use the src descriptor, to locate the font file. Now, add the same font family, to the div's styling. So here, our final program is ready. Quick tip. You can set the div attribute, to content editable. It will allow you, to take a look at multiple instances of text, without actually changing the code. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you next time.